Making money online by using ChatGPT is quite easy, and anyone can do it because it doesn't need any prior experience. I am going to share 5 ways to earn money by using ChatGPT. ChatGPT, as a language model, can be used in a variety of ways to earn money. Here are 5 potential ways to do so. First way: content creation. Use ChatGPT to create high-quality, engaging content for clients or for your own website. ChatGPT can help you quickly generate ideas, improve your writing, and create unique content for various purposes, such as blog posts, social media posts, and product descriptions. 2nd way: chatbot development. ChatGPT can also be used to develop chatbots for businesses. You can use ChatGPT to create conversational flows, generate responses to customer queries, and personalize customer interactions. Chatbots can be used for various purposes, such as customer support, lead generation, and sales. 3rd way: language translation. You can use ChatGPT to provide language translation services. ChatGPT can help you quickly translate content from one language to another, providing accurate translations that can be used for various purposes, such as website localization, document translation, and customer support. 4th way: virtual assistant services. You can use ChatGPT to provide virtual assistant services to clients. ChatGPT can help you manage your clients' schedules, answer their emails, and provide various administrative tasks, freeing up their time to focus on other important tasks. 5th way: productivity tools. You can use ChatGPT to create productivity tools that can help individuals or businesses save time and increase efficiency. For example, you can create a tool that generates summaries of lengthy documents or a tool that generates automated responses to commonly asked questions. These tools can be sold as a service or as a subscription. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more info. Lastly, check out the link of our website in the description box.